Shalom. This relates to, I seen a report relating to the NDDA, the National Defense Authorization Act, relating to HR 8070, which is basically Selective Service 18 to 26. Basically is reinforcing already that's already required by a certain when you turn 18 to 26. So it's just reinforcing what by law that a certain age group has to do regarding the selective service processing, and that goes relating to the selective service database. You know what I mean? I read something that says it's not relating to a military draft or conscription, which is a fancy word for draft, but it's just reinforcing relating to that particular age group to make sure that required by law they relating to the selective service. They are registered for the selective service just in case of relating to a draft. You know what I mean? Particularly 18 to 26. Now, if something happens, then that particular age group, they will be, related to the draft. Go to Second Esdras. The virgins and the wives shall mourn because they have no husbands. 16, Second Esdras 16, 32, 33 in that area. You know what I mean? That goes to war. And they shall die by war, or the sword. Part of that part of that sword is war, man. Go to also Isaiah 3rd chapter, talking about that, 25, 26. So, but that's just reinforcing what's already required by law by a certain age group to file and register relating to selective service. That's what that is. You know, I mean, I seen that on a report. I was just looking at it. It's HR 8070. Somebody posted it, you know what I mean? So that's what that is. By law, certain age groups required just in case relating to war, you know what I mean? Military draft or conscription. But according to that report, it says it is not involved in relating to military drafts, not to initiate military draft or conscription. Is to reinforce what's required by law relating to selective service. That's what that is. You can go into AI overview. They'll tell you more about that. I've seen that posted. So, but we in the times of complexity relating to the Iran situation, and so anything's possible. You know what I mean? You can't rule anything out. And that being said, I hope this helps relate to information. That's HR 8070. And that was in 2024, 2 years ago. I believe June 2024. That's what that relates to. All right, shalom.